Cleaning your Nutri Ninja 2-in-1 is quick and easy. Often, you'll find that all you need is a quick rinse. For heavier duty cleanups, almost all components of your 2-in-1 are dishwasher safe. Place your cups and jars on the bottom rack of your dishwasher, and your storage lids, sip and seal lids, and blade attachments on the top rack. Be careful when handling the blades as they are sharp. Your geared lid should only be rinsed under running water or hand washed. Do not submerge it or immerse it in water or place it in the dishwasher. To clean your power pod, unplug it from the power source. Wipe it off with a damp cloth and then wipe it dry. Remember not to immerse or submerge your pod in water. If you've just made dough in your 40-ounce processor bowl, we recommend that you clean all the parts you've used immediately with warm soapy water. We recommend you don't put it in the dishwasher if you won't wash everything right away. If you don't have time to wash, let it soak except for the geared lid. You may find, if you've processed a lot of carrots in your 40-ounce bowl, that the bowl has stained orange. To remove the stain, take a cloth or paper towel dipped in vegetable oil and then wipe out your bowl. It will remove the surface stains caused by the beta-carotene in carrots. After meat chopping, wash the blades and bowl with warm soapy water and then in the dishwasher to sanitize it. To your 40-ounce bowl, add 2 cups of water and a squirt of dish soap and run for 30 seconds, and then place it in the dishwasher. It's super quick and easy.